Time now for the top stories from around the world. In the region, the Electoral Observation Mission of the Organization of American States, OAS, has recommended a series of reforms aimed at strengthening elections in the Bahamas following the recent general election. The mission, led by former St. Kitts and Nevis diplomat Sherry Truss, called for the establishment of an independent electoral body separate from government control and urged greater financial, technical, and human resource support for the Parliamentary Registration Department. Among the recommendations were the introduction of an electronic results transmission system, expanded use of biometric voter cards, online voter verification tools, and stronger cybersecurity protections for electoral data. On the international scene, the World Health Organization is calling the latest Ebola outbreak in Uganda and the Democratic Republic of Congo a public health emergency of international concern. Health officials say at least 80 people have died amid a surge of more than 200 suspected cases. There are no approved vaccines or treatment for this rare strain of the virus, raising concerns of potential cross-border transmission. The Africa Center for Disease Control and Prevention said it will convene an urgent meeting to reinforce surveillance and response efforts. And those were the top stories from around the world. I'm Carrie Simpson. And the Primetime News Package continues with sports right after this break.